November 28, 1960. Two Italian radio amateurs scanning through radio frequencies used by Soviet satellites stumbled upon a peculiar noise, a repeating code. Analysis revealed it to be Morse code, translating to just 3 letters, SOS. This incident is just one of many that fuel a captivating mystery, one that has been the subject of studies, research, and numerous conspiracy theories. Has an astronaut ever been lost in space? The photo of American astronaut Bruce McCandless floating in space is awe-inspiring, yet also unsettling. Imagine being adrift, surrounded by darkness, with the Earth hundreds of kilometers away. While McCandless's spacewalk was calculated, controlled, and he returned safely. Has anyone been launched into infinity and never returned? There are tales of alleged lost astronauts or lost cosmonauts, mostly from the Cold War era when tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union were high. The Soviets, despite the United States landing on the moon first in 1969, achieved several significant milestones beforehand. They launched the first object into orbit, sent the first human, Yuri Gagarin, and woman, Valentina Tereshkova, into space, and even the first dog, Laika. Yet, amidst these achievements, there were also tragedies. The first death in a space mission was that of cosmonaut Vladimir Komarov in 1967, whose capsule crashed upon re-entry due to a malfunctioning parachute. In 1971, the Soyuz 11 capsule depressurized during re-entry, killing all 3 cosmonauts aboard. Due to the risks, leaders often withheld information about space missions until after launch, as any failure could be used for propaganda by the opposing side. One of the most significant tragedies was the Nedelin catastrophe in 1960, where a missile explosion during launch preparation resulted in numerous casualties. Another notable case was the mysterious death of Yuri Gagarin in a plane crash in 1968, and the fire-related death of Valentin Bondarenko during endurance tests for space travel, kept secret until decades later. These incidents have spawned conspiracy theories, including those about lost cosmonauts, which we will delve into further. Among these enigmatic tales is the curious case of Grigory Nelyubov, whose image was mysteriously erased from a group photo released by the Soviet government. Officially, he was deemed an undisciplined soldier, erased from history for his supposed misconduct. Yet, whispers suggest a darker truth, that Nelyubov's disappearance may be linked to a secret mission lost in the depths of space. Another story that captivates the imagination is the rumor of failed Soviet space missions preceding Yuri Gagarin's historic flight. Reports emerged of multiple unsuccessful attempts to send cosmonauts into space, including claims of a female cosmonaut, whose existence was later denied by Soviet authorities. These whispers of lost souls wandering the void of space continue to haunt the collective consciousness, begging the question, what really happened to those who ventured beyond our atmosphere? Adding to the intrigue are headlines from the height of the space race, such as the sensational claim of a Soviet corpse orbiting the Earth. While the truth behind this macabre tale remains elusive, it serves as a chilling reminder of the dangers lurking beyond our planet's atmosphere. But perhaps the most perplexing of all is the story of the Italian radio amateurs who intercepted a distress signal from space in 1960. Believing it to be the desperate plea of a lost cosmonaut, they embarked on a quest for answers that would elude them for decades. Subsequent recordings seem to confirm their suspicions, hinting at the existence of secret missions and clandestine operations hidden from public view. It's puzzling that no other authority from any country managed to intercept this transmission. Could it be credible that only 2 young Italian radio amateurs stumbled upon such a discovery, especially amidst the extensive intelligence operations of the United States during the Cold War? Additionally, the purported communication from the cosmonaut lacks adherence to official protocol, with no initial identification and absence of technical language. Admittedly, during a crisis like a spacecraft plummeting towards Earth, protocol might not be a priority. However, suspicions of fraud linger. Spacecraft cannot communicate during re-entry due to atmospheric interference, raising doubts about the authenticity of the recordings. Questions arise about the capsule's landing site and the cosmonaut's unusual accent, contrasting with someone born in Russia. The revelation of the radio amateur's sister, fluent in Russian, adds another layer of suspicion. Some speculate she could have portrayed the cosmonaut, suggesting a grand deception. These doubts not only cast uncertainty on this lost cosmonaut case, but also on all materials from the Italian radio amateurs. While intriguing for analysis, we cannot verify the recording's authenticity conclusively. Therefore, unless a meticulously hidden case remains undiscovered, it's likely that all stories of lost cosmonauts are false, born of misunderstanding or overactive imaginations. Talking about space mysteries, have you ever wondered, what if life didn't start on Earth? And if you are curious to see more of any of the subjects from these videos, leave it here in the comments and take the opportunity to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.